3. Today we're making slime! Right now we're doing here for this one.
Clear glue.
This one.
Not for eating.
This is going to take long.
So we have 15 ml of clear glue, and we are pouring it into the bowl.
Go!
Next, we need to fill that little cup up with water. One of you guys want to go get it?
I will.
What color do we want? Green. Do you need help?
Yeah.
See if Roman can, since he has muscles and an 8-pack.
I have muscle. I have muscle.
And then stir it.
This.
Take the stick
Oh,
and
tip.
stir it.
Moment. Oh. Here.
You can put a little bit
Martin,
more.
that's not hand sanitizer.
It's okay. Hudson, that's not hand sanitizer. Silly.
Now, spin it around.
Yep, mix it.
That's it.
One of you guys hold the bowl and the other one can mix it. Should we put a little bit more?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
Let's add a little bit more green.
Now. Nope. One more scoop.
Alright, let's start.
Wait, let me start. Oh, this is
Alright, now we need to add 5 ml of the activator.
Mommy, you don't.
It's okay. Alright, fill it up to 5.
1.
Might need to squeeze it a little bit.
2. 3.
Go ahead and add the activator and stir it.
Still 9. 18. Oh. Ew.
Ooh.
Don't touch it. Slime. Is that it?
How's it looking?
Good.
Does it look slimy?
A little bit. Take it out. Roman, I think that's it. That's it, Roman. Just take it off.
How's it feel? Slimy.
Mutton. Mutton.
Look at that.
Mommy, my turn. Mama, my turn. Take all of this out. How do you do that? I need help.
What do you think? Was that easy?
That's it. Kinda.
Kind of.
Thank you guys for watching my video.